Are you ready to personalize your low-profile keyboard? Well, I've got the coolest thing. At least I think it's the coolest thing. MBK Colored Blank Keycaps. I'm happy to announce we now carry all colors that MBK, or FK rather, offers in their MBK line. Let's go to the desk and I'll show you them. Here we are, the MBK Colored Blank Keycaps in all their glory. I think these keycaps are beautiful. The camera does not give these justice because they look too bright. Let me see if I can adjust my lighting. Oh well, I think that's about the best I'm going to get. But I mean it when I say the camera does not do these justice. I tried so hard to make some really good pictures for you guys in the website on the store page. Be sure to take a look at these, but we'll go through each one so you get to see them and hopefully you can see them okay. But for the colors, we have your normal standard black and white keycaps. But then for the colors, we have mint green, fuchsia pink, lavender purple, rose pink, steel gray, violet purple, chili red, tiger orange, ocean blue, cream yellow, arctic blue, and then finally shadow gray. So with these colors, you can really customize your keyboard and make it look the way that you want it to. And what I like about these colors is you can get them individually. The standard keycaps come in 10 packs. You can order 10 1U packs. And then they also come with a homing key as well as a 1.5U key. So to get an idea of that, your 1.5U convex is going to look like this. Now this is the white one. You can get this 1.5U in any of the colors. All the colors are available in my store. And they're designed to go at an angle. So these are great for either 1.5U that you want side to side as a normal keycap, or for those angled thumb keys. I also have 1U home keys. Now, if you look at the home key versus the regular key, they look identical until you turn them up. You notice how this has that curve to it, whereas this is straighter. That's because all of the homing keys have this ledge here where you can feel it as you're typing. So when you go to your home row, you've got that tactile feel. So just like I said, keep in mind, you can get any of these colors in 1U, 1.5U, or as homing keys. Now I've got all of the 1Us here that you can see them. And these keycaps are made from PBT plastic, so they're very durable. The color is not dyed. The color is the plastic. So this is rose pink all the way through. This makes them extremely durable. And since they have that nice MBK feel that you're used to, they're a pleasure to type on. They have just a slight texture to them. And with that slight texture, it makes it a very pleasant typing experience. You'll notice some colors are pretty similar. Like you'll notice the black and the shadow gray and the gray and then the white. We'll just stack this along. You can tell there's a pretty good difference between these. But as you get over here, they look very similar. The shadow gray versus the black. But once you look at them more closely, you'll notice how the shadow gray is just a very dark gray versus the black, which is more of a pitch black. So it's nice because you can set these up in different rows or different columns or randomly, however way you want, to signify different things. So for example, let's take my Softly keyboard. Now here what I have on this one is the MBK Legend R2s. So this is an ABS plastic keycap that I have on it here. And we'll put on a few of these blank keycaps. So here's your standard 1.5U that we'll put on here. And The white is pretty obvious, but let's do a few of these numbers, shall we? Just so you get a feel for how it looks. So you can tell these are very easy to install, just like any other keycap. And that's something you'll notice too. I want to show you the back of this, the glow keycaps. They have this translucent ABS plastic that allows the legend to glow through, whereas these are solid. Now, what I like about these PBT blanks is if you do have RGB lighting under each keycap, then you have this cool underglow effect. It doesn't shine through the keycap, but it has this beautiful underglow to the keys. But what I love about these is it really makes them pop. It's not just a standard legend that you have. You have these beautiful colors. So it really allows you to personalize your keyboard and make it look the way that you want. So if you're looking to add some flavor to your keyboard and personalize it, be sure to check out our store page. Links are down below in the description. You can get yours at turkeyboards.com. Thanks for watching.